Hello guys, today we'll go through the top 5 Java interview questions for developers with 5 years of experience. I'll explain everything step by step with simple code examples, so don't worry, we'll make it easy and fun. Let's dive in. Difference between hashmap and concurrent hashmap. In Java, a hashmap is not thread safe. If multiple threads try to modify it at the same time, it can lead to data corruption. A concurrent hashmap solves this problem. It is designed for concurrency and uses internal locks to allow safe multi-threaded access. In the example, the regular hash map is unsafe, while the concurrent hash map is thread safe. Difference between double equals operator and equals method. The double equals operator checks memory references, whether two variables point to the same object. The equals method checks if the contents of two objects are the same. In this example, two different string objects are created with the same value. Using double equals gives false, but equals returns true because the contents match. This topic is mostly asked in senior level interviews. Java memory management. Java divides memory mainly into the stack and the heap. The stack stores method calls and local variables. The heap stores objects that are shared across threads. Garbage collection, or GC, automatically removes objects that are no longer in use. In the example, the employee object is created in the heap, while the variable X is stored on the stack. This one is a very common question in Java interviews. Understanding the difference between final, finally, and finalize can really impress interviewers, because many people mix them up. Final, finally, and finalize are three different concepts in Java. The keyword final makes variables constants, prevents methods from being overridden, and classes from being extended. The finally block is part of exception handling, and always executes after try-catch, whether an exception occurs or not. The finalize method is called by the garbage collector before destroying an object, but it is rarely used in modern Java. And last but not least, we have multithreading vs parallelism, a topic that's mostly asked in senior level interviews. Understanding this difference shows that you really know how Java handles concurrency. Pay attention to the examples, practice a bit, and you'll be confident explaining it in your interview. Multithreading means that multiple threads run independently, giving the illusion of parallel execution. Parallelism means tasks are actually executed at the same time on different processes or cores. In the example, two worker threads are started. On a single core, they will switch execution. On multiple cores, they may run in true parallel. Thank you for watching. Now you understand the top 5 Java interview questions and their answers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your questions below. I'd love to hear from you. Bye bye.